of how to operate a pre-north Panther. Ensure that your seatbelt's on. The e-stop is engaged. Now that your machine's running, your air conditioning is right here. Fan control is right here, as well as your temperature control. This pre-north Panther is equipped with rear and side cameras, as well as a full diagnostic screen here that you can see all of your codes, as well as the temperature, your DEF fluid, your hydraulic temperature, and your diesel. Your RPMs is on there, your engine hours, and the time. Once you release the parking brake, you can put it in forward or reverse. You also have your windshield wipers here, your horn here, and you can adjust the steering wheel. Rear wiper as well as windshield washer fluid, strobe light, front headlights, rear headlights, Bluetooth stereo, USB port, your volume, and your source. This T16 is outfitted with the McNeelius 9-yard drum designed for concrete. To start the operation, you're going to cycle the on-off switch here. Here you have the desired discharge and charge toggle switch. As you hold it, the faster it'll go. Once you release, it'll stop. If you want it to discharge, you hold it in the discharge position and it'll discharge. Right here is your up and down for the rear chute. And right here is your drum counter. Alright, here you have the McNeelius 90-yard cement mixer. The working capacity of this unit is 7 yards because it's for off-road use. Here is the controller in my hand. To start operation, you'll need to flip the bottom switch, which is the on-off switch. This can also be used for safety when you are discharging concrete and you want to make sure it stops suddenly. You can stop the rotation of the drum at whatever speed it is by flipping this switch on the bottom. Next up is your discharge and charge button for operating the drum. The longer you hold it, the faster the drum is going to rotate. If you want it to go in the opposite direction, just hold the toggle switch until your desired speed. Button up here is to operate the chutes in the back. This is all hydraulic. On the opposite side, there's 3 additional chutes that can be added to get further distance. The next button up here is for the water pump. Once you turn this water pump on, make sure that you open a valve for your desired function. There's 3 functions on this machine. There's one for the pressure washer that we'll explain later. There's another for the hose that's here on the rear, as well as a line that goes inside the drum to wetten your mix or also to flush out the tank. Right here are the desired valves. The one in the rear here is for the hose. Next one is for your drum. And this one is for your pressure washer. in the rear here is 2 grease points for your rollers, as well as a grease point here for your rotator. Here's your pressure washer wand. As well as your access stick. Mixer here, we outfitted this machine with a Honda pressure washer. To start this machine, you're going to need to reach on the opposite side. That is the on-off. There's also the choke and your gas. Give it a pull and it'll start. As well as your filters for your mixer are located on the front of the mixer, as well as a hydraulic tank with a sight glass that you can see the desired level of oil. Under this cover here is where your water will come out. We outfitted it with a filter, so you can change the water filter and check it underneath here so you don't get any contaminants in your pressure washer or your concrete mix. To fill your water tank is right over here. This compartment here, you're going to open it with the cat key and your master disconnect, as well as your fuel filters, your depth tank, and your diesel tank. Next you have the cooling pack. It's ideal to blow out your radiators as well as the AC condenser for optimal productivity. Next compartment here. You have your windshield washer fluid, your hydraulic tank with a sight glass, your air filter, as well as your dipstick.